What's a reading? What's a numerology reading?
You take someone's birthday and you start telling them about their characteristics, what they're going through in life, who their soulmates are to a point, when they should get married, or maybe they shouldn't, when they should have kids, and maybe when they shouldn't. When people are in enemy years, they gotta lay low. If they don't listen to my advice and they go all balls out, they're gonna get their ass handed to them.
Okay, and how does somebody watching this go about getting a reading from you?
Well, they basically go to my website and GG33 classes, and then you can get a reading from me. But I gotta warn people, I'm an expensive whore. It costs a lot of money to talk to me. But if you can't afford me, I train many students. There's only one of me, and I can't do 50 readings a day, so I have to actually train people to do readings for me.
So you taught your students to give readings?
Correct.
Your students are taught by you?
Yes, GG33. Yeah, you go to GG33classes.com, and then they have a list of all the students, and it tells you, what their speciality is. Some students actually give people tarot readings with the numerology. Some people talk about holistic medicine with their numerology readings. We got a wide variety of people.
And what can you expect from your student readings? Same thing with you?
Pretty much, except they're probably not as blunt as I am, because when you are a millionaire, you don't really give a f what people think. If you get a numerology reading, you can get a trial membership to the academy. Correct.
So people can get a reading from one of your students?
Yes.
And then get an academy 1 week free trial?
Yeah, correct.